Hello everyone. In this video I thought I'd throw a little map in at the start to show you where we are heading. So firstly we visit the iconic Daly Waters pub, and then we head on to the Mataranka homestead to spend a few nights there and have a swim in their beautiful thermal pools and attend the amazing whip cracking show. Then we head on to a free camp for the night at Robbins Falls before heading finally on to Darwin, where we stay for about 4 nights at the Robbie Robbins Reserve. While in Darwin, we do visit a couple of dog-friendly beaches. We go to the Botanical Gardens, which is also dog-friendly, down onto the waterfront, around to the marina, and then lastly onto the East Arm boat ramp. This is the iconic Daly Waters pub. Yeah, I said to the lady about Angus and she said, yeah, definitely they're allowed out the front here, but just not out the back in the beer garden. This is on the other side of the pub. This is a little Tim's Junkyard you can pay $3 to go into, and their little outback servo. You hear a bit of music in the background at the pub. The pub meals were yum. And the saltwater crocodile.
It's gonna be fucking dry there, Tim.
That's cool, I didn't expect to see. Staying at the Mataranka homestead for 2 nights. Obviously dogs are welcome, but you can't have them past the point of the reception here where they've got the sitting area. We're going to go for a walk later down to the springs, so you can't come down there, but by then you'll be alright to have a little sit in the van. We're in a nice shady spot and we won't be going too long. This is where we are camped at Mataranka homestead. Beautiful park. And we got a unheld site, so we could just go wherever we like. There's not a lot of rules here, which is great. Mataranka homestead. Home to the thermal pools and the old building that we used in some of the We of the Never Never. Beautiful spot to come and stay. It's pretty cheap, $30 a night for unpowered. The thermal pools are absolutely stunning. Right, it's only a short walk from the caravan park to the thermal pools. A lot of people in here. Well, where are the Wattos? I think they've gone down here further. Yeah, Wattos are over here. I can see Phil. How pretty is it? Wow. Yeah.
Righto, anyways, welcome to Mataranka, everybody. My name's Nathan Whippy Griggs. You probably guessed that by reading the sign just here.
Shame my nerves and it right on my brain.
camp at Robbins Falls. We haven't got the best camp, they're all been taken. All under trees, under a bit of shade near the creek, but this will do us for the night. Free camp. The dog's having fun down here with his pillow. Go on, Angus. Do you reckon it'd be a bit yucky in there?
I want to go and do that.
Robbie Robbins Reserve near Darwin. $30 a night. Showers, toilets. Yummy kebabs on the fire. Now this is the first view of the coast of Darwin. Never been to Darwin before. It's made my dream for many, many years. We've come to Casuarina Beach, which is obviously an off-leash dog area, and it's meant to be fairly safe to swim. Just got to watch out for the stingers. They didn't say anything about crocs, so I'm going in, but just, yeah, at the edge. Another dog-friendly place to take your dog around Darwin is Lee Point. Darwin waterfront now. You reckon, Gussie? I think we've got to get a lift. We do, to go downstairs. This will be Angus's first lift ride. Oh my god.
The last one. Oh, what was that?
Oh, don't want to. Oh.
Whoa!
That was cool. Just went down that lift. Scared the shit out of me. Come down onto the waterfront. It's absolutely gorgeous here.
There she goes. Let me get wet. Hi, Gus. Hi, Gus. No let in there.
Can't come in, mate. It's beautiful. It's so hot here, like it's 30 degrees. And it's June. It's just magical being here in winter. Good dog. Come across this big crocodile at the marina at Darwin, and Gus is very unsure. Hey?
Yes,
Yeah, I've seen that he went for the tail end.
Can we, Gus? Look.
Get him, Gus. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Get ready, he's going to jump straight out.
Hang on, I've just videoed him. It's a marina at Darwin. Very pretty.
G'day, Darwin Marina.
Good morning, Mr. Carter. Where are we this morning?
Oh, we're at the Darwin Botanical Gardens, and I just got told what a vlog was.
As Jeff said, we are at the Darwin Botanical Gardens, which obviously is dog friendly. And we're waiting on the Wattos.
Oh,
Not sure where they are.
Crown of Thorns, that's what that one's called.
Come on, mate. You're allowed to have the dogs off leash here if they are well behaved and you can control them. This is Angus's second go because he's already chased a bird. We put him back on lead, so we're giving him another chance. At Marlow Lagoon, about 10 k's from our campsite. It's a good spot to bring your dog to run around, but certain times of the year there could be crocs in the lagoon, so good to keep an eye out. Should be alright at this time of the year, they reckon. Off-leash area at the lagoon.
Come here.
We're in the time-out section at Marlow Lagoon Dog Park. If your dog's, unsure, or there's bigger dogs around here or something, you can put them in here. Anyway, just trying to get... Go back to Dad! Go on! Yay, go Gussie! It's the East Arm boat ramp at Darwin. Beautiful. Just walking down on these bloody mangroves at the moment to go out to this spot that him and Brad camped at like 40 years ago, I think. I'm like, Christ almighty, look out for the crocodiles. For God's sake, look out for those bloody crocodiles. Dog watching. Angus, you stay here with me.